Hey, this is Tim with In the Cut Woodworks. Let's see what we can make. All right, let's see if this is worth the money. All right, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about this cheap Harbor Freight planer. Cheap is a relative term. It was $360 that I paid for it. So let's see if it was worth it. So here's the planer. I've been using it for almost a week now because I wanted to spend some time, work with it, do a couple projects. That way I can give you an honest review. So my honest opinion is it is definitely worth the money. For 360 bucks, you have a planer that works. It takes on these hardwoods, it goes through them, leaves a smooth cut. And I'm not a professional by no means. I'm still learning how to use it. There was definitely a lot of operator error when it came to this thing in the beginning, but it works. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. I have zero complaints on the functioning side. Now, I don't like the feel of it. All the plastic, it just feels cheap. And then this kind of aggravated me. Out the box, my labels were peeling. Everything's just peeling right out of the box. You know, just the little stuff. I mean, it's not affecting nothing at all, but you pay $360 for something, you want it to be right. Now for a planer, yes, that's cheap, but I don't want my stickers peeling. But other than that, you know, like the plastics, it just feels cheap. But it works, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. So for the money, I don't think you can beat it. So, I mean, I really can't complain. They're flat. So, is it worth it? I think so. It'd do great just for starting out until you can afford to spend $600, $700, $800. But for 360 bucks, I don't think you can beat it. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all come back again.